Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Blair. Today I'm doing a spring makeup tutorial using some of my favorite products from Charlotte Tilbury. I did this look a few days ago and of course I didn't film it, but I loved how my makeup turned out, so I wanted to recreate it today and share with you all of my favorite products from her lately. If you've been here before, you will probably know that I am a Charlotte Tilbury fanatic. I love her products, I love the brand, I love everything about it, and I was just in the mood to play with a bunch of her products. If you're interested in how I got this spring makeup look using some of my favorite products from Charlotte Tilbury, please keep watching. Please subscribe and let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start. So I did this routine a few days ago and I really like how it turned out, so I figured I would share it with you. So the first thing I did was I went in with the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury, and I actually have it in two shades. I have number 3 and number 2. So the first thing I did was, this is gonna look a little crazy to some because yes, I'm about to put this all over my face. So I'm taking shade number 3, kind of putting that the cheek area, top of my forehead, and I'm then gonna take shade number 2 and I'm gonna put this basically in the center of my face. And I'm gonna blend this out. I actually saw one of the Charlotte Tilbury pro artists on Instagram do this in one of her videos. I had never put the Flawless Filter like all over my face. I had put it like on the high points and I've mixed it with foundation, but I'd never actually taken it and just put it everywhere. So I decided to try it and I really liked it. Okay, so you can see my face is nice and glowy to start out with. So this is my first favorite product. Obviously you don't have to have 2 shades. I just happen to have 2 and 3. But this product is just so good. That's one of those things I will never be without the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I love it so, so much. Look at that glow on my face. Oh, I love it. So once I've blended that in all over my face, I will take the Magic Vanish Corrector and applying this under my eyes. And I do apply a good bit of this because I have a lot of darkness under my eyes, but if you didn't, you could apply less or you could just skip this step altogether. But I always do it. Now I'm just gonna start to kind of blend this out a little. Make sure to get it up right here in the inner corner because most people do have darkness right here. And I'll just take my finger and go over everything. I know it looks crazy right now, but it's gonna look better in a few minutes. Okay. So now that we have our corrector applied, I'm going to go in with the Magic Away concealer. Again, I have 2 shades. I have shade number 4 and shade number 3. Shade number 4 is, I would say, a little bit closer to my actual skin tone. Shade number 3 is a little bit lighter. I love this concealer. I just wish the applicator was different. I've said that so many times. Look how gross. It just gets so messy. So I'm going to take shade number 4 And I'm gonna apply this kind of on the cheek area, anywhere where I have some discoloration. Taking shade number 3 now. And I'm putting this one under my eyes. Just a little bit on forehead and my nose. Now we're gonna blend it in. I'm using my Smashbox blurring foundation brush to blend this in. So now we have all of that blended in. And now I'm going to take her Airbrush Flawless Powder in the shade number 1. And I'm just going to apply this in the T-zone, basically. Next, I'm going to take the Film Star Bronze and Glow. And I'm using the bronzer side. And I'm just going to add some color to my face. I'm not sure what possessed me to do this a few days ago. I just was kind of in the mood to use a bunch of Charlotte Tilbury products. I don't know why, but that's what I was in the mood for. Now I'm going to take the Cheek to Chic blush in the shade Ecstasy. This is one of my favorite blushes that I own. It is so, so pretty. Just dragging whatever is left onto my forehead. I did go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, and I applied a little bit of the Magic Away concealer to my eyelids. And now I'm going to use the Pillow Talk palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm first going to go into this shade right here. It's a really light, kind of a cream color. And I'm going to apply this in the crease of my eye very lightly. This is going to be, again, a really quick, easy makeup look to do. I have just really been into quick, easy makeup recently. I know a lot of people are, because most people are, or everyone is stuck at home. I'm going to take the color next to that. It's the Peachy Matte right here. This color, so pretty. And for this, I'm going to basically just add this color right in the outer V. Basically like stamp it there. Like that. Then I'm going to go back in with the big fluffy brush we used initially and just kind of blend that out a little. I am then going to take a little bit of the bronzer from the Film Star Bronze and Glow palette. I'm going to pop just a little bit of this only right here, right where I can feel the crease of my eyelid. Basically just trying to define my eyelid a little bit more, since I don't have a ton of lid space. I have a pretty hooded eye, actually. Found that if you go and you don't blend it up, you just stay right here. Defined your eyes just a little bit more. And then lastly, I am gonna take the shimmer shade right here. It's a really pretty light champagne. And I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna pop that on my lid. I'm also gonna take a little bit of that peach color again, like a very, very tiny bit. Run it along my bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna go in with this really pretty warm, kind of a milk chocolate brown. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of this right at the outer lash line and flick it out. Just slightly. I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Rockin' Kohl eyeliner and put a little bit of this on my waterline. You could totally skip this step if you didn't want to do that, but I have it sitting here, so I'm going to do it. Curl my lashes. And put on a little bit of her legendary lashes. Last but not least, for lips, I'm going to use the Lip Cheat pencil. And this is the shade Hot Gossip. This is a newer color to me. I haven't had this for very long. But this shade works really well with my natural lip color. Then I'm going to take her, I think this is the K.I.S.S.I.N.G formula in the B word Perfect. I don't think I'm allowed to say the word. That Hot Gossip lip liner and this color look so pretty together. One last thing, I'm going to take the Collagen lip bath in the shade Peachy Plump. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this right to the center. So pretty. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to share this because like I said, I did this look a few days ago and I really loved how it turned out. I think it's really pretty, springy, really fresh, glowy skin, and just pretty corally gold tones on the eyes and the lips. I really love it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed and turn on your little notification bell so you don't miss out on my future uploads. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Remember, simply be you. Bye.